kuboyine twa project so twinji ekimwe kufa amisho gatankahi ugatakuriya ubano manyo tumwene season eji y'umwani nagergamu ejo nakwatamu kunda aheze nazo mu mpuno hati kuturabe nturgo mwani ntuza kuba ntuzo mu njoki kwakura ubwe nobwo cyo nabwo twagira ata twabwihayo kuturabe nturgo nabwe ne cyanda twazanka kuri yo mbyenyanja nabye byeyanja byona twabye yatuyamwe byenyanja nabyo twagira ata twaguza so benefits no kugira ngo no kwaturoku urugayo okwaturoku ekibankirgamu okwaturoku mwenu no gumumu vicious cycle
ombere kwijejuba
bakwa no wakwa abekibina twakora okumuntu bakazanyije bakapira kutindimu boroku ito bekibina cyo tumbashe bitwaro mukaga icyo nakwa eji bracket yakugamu bas ahantu waka warambwe no wawe ndi kuca mushango hagati yawe n'umukazi wawe ubwo bushobozi ko tabwine iwe wabwiya waruhanga wamugana nkahemanya kora uragandagamba no bisana tuva bashaka bari milonga
Oriati voice na kwachira omakuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi nyine Sande Brian erizoba ebiro na mukaga byo kwa katano 2025 akande shaha nebiri esomwebazyo ntwija kuretera emto y'amakuru kandi kuturagaruce ntwija kwisiyaho amakuru Agacencwire ombwijwire
emeto y'amakuru
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turiaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji ni bashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mchakwe kwatiro mu bibari kwega.
Omgacencwire chireci okumuruka kw'amashomero abazira batagara beja amashomero baravuga muri bara
jide wanu abazira musomero kututana kekintu kiri important
okutera koraso ruguto rwa kano ndahendekire kwatongozwa n'urwija kumaraho billion emwe n'eshweka omuri bara city
tutaba nko abena yenda ate chunchukuru nikija kikiretwa hariya atubito mutugura hinka gutemba bene nduru twarutongoza
Minisita w'ihanga ow'ebyobulambuzi yashaba eminyeto okuba beesigwa omu myuga yaabo omuri Toroko.
Ate egi niyo ndwara y'Abanyayuganda obutagira amazima n'obwesigwa. Amazima otabiine tolukurakurana n'ekiro n'eki.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabaniye kushikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences turyaba kugwa mu kutendeka kurungi abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate abeegi nibashomesebwa abakugu kandi baheebwa omugisha kwekwatira omu bibari kwega.
Mbabazi Charity na Sande Brian agana makuru agacenshire ombwijire omu butongore rizoba amashomero kwetorora Uganda ihanga ryona gahumuruka kandi muri mbara abazire bashabwa okukora cyone kirukubasika okumurira abana ombirebi ebikubanza kandi birukutandika tamu abanyamakuru bitu beyine birukukira
amashomero agitwabasa kwikamo harimo aga gavumenti n'agabantu buntu ayishomero rya Uganda Matters Primary School aho muri Murambara abashomesa twabashanga bayikire omberas.
The fraction of the added water, which is
ano ekireki abeji ombutongore batandika tamu yabo ya kabiri
ninyenda kubasha batwana twenda kubona abana barungi bashomereje amazoba gona agumutamu tuga respecting hari umunere yo kubanzaho
day one abazire musemeye kututwara nk'ekintu kiri important wo kuba day one ntawo kumanya nguticha nayendeki ekitakuchenda by the time twakutandika tam no matse cyakwenda n'ekyatakwenda
because the classrooms are there, the desks are there, so abana bona bar comfortable kandi ngambe aba batakize kujangwije.
Day one I found it nice because everything is there. Let it be water cause the term is dry. Let them be revision books, of course the syllabus outline, and besides being day one doesn't mean we are receiving the people who have been here, but also newcomers and those people who feel like they want a good school like this one.
Omurshema oku abazire basimwa abukugezaho okukora emyuga yabo
barumushogu okusimwa abazira abo kubasa kureta abana babo kumuka kandi waninda teyineshonga sofa twine 95% abana bizire twarumushogu kwiga abana bakiryoko n'abazira bakiryoko murake mureta abana abo kushoma kutandikiraho ayizoba ryo kubanza.
And I'm happy that they are responding positively. The learners are here and we have given them RIN identification numbers. Almost everyone has a number and it is in the computer in the Ministry of Education and Sports. It is a requirement and we have that one which is identifying where the learner is studying from.
Kandi abasomesa bembashekinge bareta nano makarasi abana batanchira kusoma. I want to thank our director who has brought us here, has given us good facilities, and I thank everybody for coming.
We have brought our students here, our pupils here at Kagwema Zakaya. The school is okay. They feed them normally. They get all food nutrients. Our children are very healthy. So the school is okay. Kagwema Zakaya is the most performing school.
Kutwaza mu mashomero arengora secondary Anyakayejo Senior Secondary School uko abazire abacishobirwe hariho nko kubabahumurisa
namo bazire bayumva leta abana kumbera imbaga yambara mutero kuja n'abazire n'abana mukabasi amashomero mumanyegengo umwana yakangahi ayishuka kandi wabona ikizo cya school fees mije mureba na administration ebayambe ngoro kumurashashure aho pembereza ntumangu tuziboneye kandi mutero kujya mu kimwata aho kubetango je gumire tibwo mushana gwa bakari so nibyo kushagura tizurungi so ngoko kwakuba ntaka nano mushaka kuno yana basabwa kambwe mwamutu yandire kiba cyaba kirungi
twaza omurka mwenje ombarwa beji abaye kamashomero okutwariza hamwe abwatami ya kabere erizoba gwatandika guri mu muci
abazire basindika abana abo kwabashomesa ishomero bariho mu gukora tuguriho mukoza abana ni bace mwe n'abazire basindika abana ahishomero ako atamu utandikira
tamu kweri kutandika syllabus etandikiraho abashomesa batandikiraho mwene imbaterera nabo bije bareke kuferwa akube bashomesera izoba kina hibarigaraka kubugana bariyo ni baferwa abazire mukwate bicena byinja kari kubasika sindika beje bije basho
ngenda kusima abazire ahabo kunda kusomesa kandi mpigana nabo abo ko batakoririza abana kugira ngo bohereza ishomero nango umwe ensonga ya fize nebegumere bonka tujya n'ubukikira ubuyobozi bw'ishomero umwana nayega bene bindi obusoteza nkora
Edson Wagaba urukuro byo kurambura amashomero mu Kamwenje nawe arubuho habuze uyanja kuhereza na mnungo amashomero ga senior na primary
ndicuye kangu abana amashomero tubija ko kutonto bateka teka abo kubanke cyo kurebera aho kishomero ari shomero na expecting abugina abana runana 39 ukandiri n'abana bishatu 11
Wambara City Robert Mugabe Kashebezi erizoba yatongoza umurimo ogwo kutera kora soruguto rwa Kanonda hendekire mu Kisenyi aho mu Rembo orwambarara oruguto runuruja ku maro sente zirkwingana billion emwe na million 500.
Meya Wambara City Robert Kachebezi hamwe na RCC w'Ururembo rwambara Catherine Kamwine nibo batongoza umurimo gwo kutera kora nsoruguto rwa Kanonda hendekire urwino buringwa bwa mitazi 800. Urgutodo noruza kumaraho sente billion mwene chweka norugito ruguto rwa Mosque Sachura Bochunko Road na norwa Bus Park Road kandi rutwire ryo mu Mberambi
tutabanko abenayenda ate chunchi kurnikisha chichiretwa hariya atubito mutugura hinka gutemba mbwenu nduru twarutongoza twashagana na team kurungi iki team eri cooperative we are cooperative we are very much cooperative then mukore ekirabe kirucu kumukora ebyo byona nyowati ndikija kuya rent because it's not my home.
Is your role kurango contractor yakora byo mu rumo atine kurabanisibwamu kwabakama bo mwanyogu no mwanya gwanje kandi abo benefitinga nini bone kiza gukora kubi twashanga kwatu na blocking as contractor kandi project iri mu mahende
mujerebe nga project yanyu nga community mutayicereza ikintu kugurwa ha site kikashora no kwa kwibe kitiho cyumwe mutayicereza ikintu cyona kwibwa ha site akwa ni site yanyu.
Meya Robert Kachebezi nagira ngo uruguto rubakatandika karukwenda kurukora bidurutwira mu ntaro
is 400 meters kurugahariya nurekeri ibaro rukumakurekera aje kurugaho nurekeri ibare nirkwata hariya turukuza gukora hatutwarire obwire bwinji munonga okukira okukora umuhanda oguri kuzacyamugorani oguturu kubasa kwago mukomuri nka 4-5 something kilometers
ko barasara urubaraza rwawe basara room yawe oyikirize okimanye nti oruguto rwa rwizire entunguko mu kiweka cyawe neza kuba yija abapangisa sente nza kweyongera na wana oguzanizeyo ne sente nizeyongera
katona mu cyucu nizima system bari munonga amazimu mbere ngatera buri izoba mbwenu twabashaba no gundi murundi bakutwongera
uruguto noruza gukorwa ba Kwed Construction Limited umbwire bw'ameza 3 gonka mu makuru agandi Juliet Muzora urukure by'ubwegeso mu mashomera ga senior o ministry by'ubwegese n'imizano nagira ngo government neja kutaha umunshonga yo kongera begesa bebyo mbiri ningashi physical education umbwire butaro bwahare okwenda kongera habwegese bwayo okugamba ebi muzorabira ebembire okukingaho okutendeka kw'ebegyesa ab'ebyomubiro okuruga omu kicweka kya Kigezi ah'ishomero rya Kigezi High School omu district ya Kabale.
But the improvisation that you have trained yourselves in at this workshop, at this conference, which will trickle down to be cascaded to the learner and even to the schools to appreciate.
My appeal to you is that at least they also change their training that can fit in the new work curriculum. Because this is competence based, and now it means we are now graduating teachers who are different.
Hajara Dembe orukura ebyobwegese omu kitongole ky'emibiro ministry y'ebyobwegese enshonga eja gigambireho.
The teacher training institutions had given up producing a real PE teacher because PE was not in action. It was not supported in schools. They were doing it for the sake.
Kindly, through you to the Ministry of Education and Sports, consider our beloved subject physical education at advanced level come next year 2026 for the national.
Ahabwa TV West in the area Saritugusa na Job Namanya.
Na Job Namanya. Minister wihanga kandi urukushananizibwa n'ebyoburambuzi bahinduka Martin Mugarura yashabe minyeto kuba besigwa aha mirimo yabo nuko babase kutunga obusinguzi yombe barukora.
Minister wihanga urukushananizibwa aha byoburambuzi bahinduka Martin Mugarura nagira ngo eminyeto mingi ekaburwa bwesigwa omu mirimo yabo kandi kibarugirireho okuburwa emirimo. Minister yabigamba obu yaba natongoza eminyeto etungira obukugo myoga nk'ebyoburambuzi hamwe n'okombeka ahansi y'enteekateeka ya Skilling the Youth Uganda kandi egi neejunanizibwa ekitongole kya Uganda Rural Development hamwe na URTD aha mukoro gwaba hari Karugutu Primary School omu district ya Ntoroko.
Nimbagondeza kugenda kurungi kukora kurungi mutarwara oburwaire bw'abana Uganda mbumanyire oburwaire bw'abana Uganda mbumanyire kuchwe bisuba butagira amazimu namanya wake abana Uganda business ekatulema namanya wake hawo kuchwe bisuba no mugamba no ichadio wange oli na koleka ngwese for instance rukombeka turuko oli na kutera ngura yo sai 10 wa cement ino gura busatu obu noteka musawo norema kukuza ba clients.
Minister yashaba bashija okuhereza abakazi babo omugisha gukora kibase kubahwera okubisa hamaka gabo hamwe no kutungura ihanga.
Abone musaija wawe akwikiriza abasaija mwiza bakazi bakole mubikirize bakoleki bakole muleke kubasubira mu majuganyo no mbabonesa tumwine kumna kusaba na akagita tokamuha mbaleke bakoleki bakole so nyoni ninyenda kubatera ngo skills ezo mutongere zino mutazitwara mu makaganyo mukabyama nazo.
Ivan Busobozi owajwekera DC wa district egi yaraganisa kuba rukuza kukwatira eminyeto erukuba yaheza kutunga obukugu omyoga etari emwe n'emwe.
Bingwe na tubazo chairman bagabana ba president bagamba they lack capital bagambire capital tegumara so bakusaba district the district leadership yawe baba kwatiro barorenti baba hezo mukazenda kini tukomitinga on behalf of office ya kao tujakora na support ya chairman turenti kuo mazima tuteke mukinu tubasakika abana.
Honorable Minister na URDT mbaire ni nsaba ebintu byona bine bitukukora bya skilling bino numusomesa ntusomesa abantu kugenda kulinda enjoki baitu kakuba environment tutagirinda enjoki tizikuja koraki tukutunga obwoki bw'omulembe.
So this skilling program has really improved the livelihoods of our young people in the districts.
Enteekateeka egi yamazire kutendeka eminyeto erukuhika emitwaro mushanju okuruga omu district 20 za Uganda omu myanya erukuturwamu empungi kandi yo district ya Ntoroko yonka eine eminyeto erukuhika 338 bona batungira obukugu omu by'emikono rero eminyeto erukuhika 31 bamazire kutandikaho emirimo
Oyu noreba amakuru Agacencwire reka tumureho tugaruka nagarukurata.
Agarukurataho nagakushyibwaho
Mobit nerwa mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezimba kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba Mobit bakabito mushipa kimwe
Agarukurataho indwara yo kwezinga kwamara umuntu noceri indota omushaho nashobora
icyo kubanza umuntu kuba ashemeziwe nabasa kuba ashemeziwe nazara
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushyibwaho
Mobit nerwa mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutambe ndwara zombiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezimba kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba Mobit bakabito mushipa kimwe
Ogumutabaro wanje namusinga kandi ni narume konka nani ngira ngo nowe ubwo mushisha kuno nagira nakanije kumota akachiko kanje ambaza mushomese ubwebembezi ukuburi kugira buta ukuburi karamanya kwato bwebembezi yamanya basi mwereza stamp kandi makweto hiwe mazina bino mushanyasiyo kandi we mwereza Simon abarwachikamo
kandi ninyenda kwiga muzira takaresere mwana kugira ngo egetamu mu education tujeta academic term netame yo kushoma kugira ngo silba sehwe by third term tube to ready for vision na no promoting abana nahabwe cyo bano mangu toketebekanise gezaho otense nishomero kongombe kingeshwangu wareto mwana yatandikiraho at least rizakiriri yakore mamwe n'inyencha kare oreto mwana atandikiraho kandi abanda bizere kandi abashomesa batandikireho nahabwe cyo abazere batakaresere bana ngezeho murake muhambye hambi kwata ebugufuna nebice oreto mwana atandike ahabo kubegetamu ne academic
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Hangura school fees yo mwaka gona echo inokora shashora school fees urukoze samomo yimata kanyonyozi emwe mukaga 5 akanyonyozi 8 noti akadara ronda ho nambe 2 school pay aho kurataho ronda ho nambe emwe okushashora school fees teka mwe namba yo mwana wawe aho kushashora school fees na no muhendo gwa sente zo kwenda kushashora rero wamara teka mpini yawe aho no jakwa wata ho mukazano kweko hangura school fees zo mwaka gona
Echiro chisisire chireje Ros from ne bakasheshe karonje Para here Ros spring na Ros from Ejini biti Tokuro bisas mukashesh Nikuko masaji ngomuchiro chuna
Wera renko mwerere nomfaratsi bw'omutendo kandi nuguhanga omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecha orukwenda Resform ensi y'ebiroto birungi
Nze musajja wamwe Stuart Kalisa director Mpenkoni Drink ne Mpenkoni Star Soap njozayoza abagoberezi ba Kristo mwenna okwetolole gwanga Uganda n'amawanga agatwetolodde mbayozayoza olw'okutuuka ku lunaku lw'abajulizi olw'omwaka guno era njozayoza abakristo mwenna olw'okufuna papa omujja papa Leo ow'e14 mbasaba era mbakubirira okukozesa sabuni waffe owampenkoni Star Soap wamu n'ekyokunywa kyaffe nga mulamaga Mukama Katonda wange abawangaaze.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
noyenda kwishikiriza ikiroto cyawe ecyo kwera amagara g'abantu nitwakira Hafins Medical University itendekero eritongozibwe okushomesa amashomo agebyobushaho omu East Africa. Obwa hati nitwakira applications on mashomonka Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, Weekend Nursing and Midwifery, Medical Education Nurse Tutorship, twinena diploma omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, otebirwe na za certificates omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwe na Bridge Course. Twine laboratory yo murembe eyo mweji ari kubangururwamu. Twishirire ahamikutu yitu www.fmu.ac.ug tandika urugendo rwawe rw'obusinguzi na Fins Medical University. Fins Medical University okutambira amagara g'abantu nugwe mwete gwitu.
Hayes Recruitment Experts, Jobs Abroad na machimerwa minji ntabarusi yabo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nituchenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarigana n'etano okora cha ichenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu not mushange ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga note mushanju ina itano ninga note mushanju ina note rukumi.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazumo rya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo ngwija hakunywa
mucyara unama utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
konka mwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze yo nako kishahe mu ito twe tuyo no diplomat akatuka kanuzira hanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekozi fo mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS
kuri mucho wararoteka tekera habyo kombeka gendo mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omuri Mbarara City obwa hata bafurikire kimwe bakarga ahagarage street no bashanga Makanising Street ahakizimbe cy'aba sister hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga House hamwe na hawe house yabo rwogoma eri kushangwa aha Victor Bwana Road washumira aha banda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka Makanising kafurikire ahawe house yabo bineho tires nyamwingi enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China. Mikaso size zona nebika bya adhesive nka quick stick tire adhesive erukusiba tires zempango n'amabare gahabisika na swimming pools. Twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwingi transport eruho wahika showroom yabe ya warehouse ebintu byona no butandu bata.
Manager ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Kuruka yomukahumura muganda makuru amara n'ekintu kikuru omubiri gw'omuntu kandi nagakora omurimo gwo kucwanyagura ebyokurya ebyomuntu arikubarire kandi gagaruka gashohoza n'ebyo ebirikuba bitarikwetengwa omunda. Waba nokimanya ngu amara agari omunda nago nigagira oburemezi erizoba twakuretera endwara y'amara kandi n'okwerikujanjabwa.
Enkora yo kucwanyagura ebyokurya omuntu kwari kurya netandikira mu kanwa aho amacwante gari kubanza kubyorobya bwanyuma yo kubimera enderimo amara g'ebika bibiri amahango n'amake agari kubyakira gakongera kubicwanyagura konka n'ubwo gari gukora umurimo gwo kubicwanyagura nago nigateganisibwa kandi oyihireho kuriibwa omunda omuntu narwara okwezinga kw'amara kandi egi endwara nebasa kurugiriraho n'okufa. Omushaho Taiwa Edison omuhango mu kushemeza amara ahirwaro lyambara Regional Referral Hospital najangu okwesiba ningo kwezinga kw'amara nikiretwe enshonga nyingi ezirimo omuntu kushemezwa na mnonga abakazi abari kushemezwa bari kuzara hamwe n'ezindi ndwara nka kansa n'ebindi.
Cyo kubanza ni omuntu kuba ashemezibwe nabasa kuba ashemezibwe nazara nabasa kuba ashemezibwe ekintu ekindi cyenda nka appendix muhora umuntu yarwara appendix bamushemeza mwe okushemezwa ko munda so hato umuntu ogwo kwakweza kushemezwa omunda baheza kwikamu mwene bashemeze tinte kibyo munda haza mwe nkojo haza nkojo zubiro bwingi ziretera omweza kugira ekende kizagira ikizasa.
Ekiri kusingayo kureta ekizibu eki n'ebyokurya ebyo abantu bari kurya ebigumire nka muhogo chapati kandi batari kurya mboga ziri kwiragura nka dodo ebijuma hamwe na avocado.
Hatecho noshanga omuntu wano urye ebintu ebikureta washozo bigumire nk'ecyo wagamba ebitakuri muhogo nangwa hamwe n'indeba omugati mwene products zengano chapati amandazi ekikomando nko kuwabigamba kandi ukashanga omuntu atakurya mere ekuretera ebyo munda byayo banka greens nka mapapari nka fruits ningo kunywa mizi mingi ekyo kiretera stool ninga shombi bwija buzireki bugumire nangwa buri mastike no kubastike cyabo ukashanga ngo bwagira hibwa kwatira tubwaye yongera yo kuguma bukira ukashobora ushanga ebinde byo kurya nebishikaho byaki byesa.
Ono mushaho Taiwa Edison nagira ngo endwara egi kwata buri muntu nuko kwabura ngo omuntu yahurira munda yahataba kurungi ayirukangira mu bashaho omukirako ayerinde kurya ninga kunywa.
Endwara ne kwata abantu by'emyaka itakwingana akushanga ture no mwana kuzarwa icyenda cyese kina abana bo kuzara ugashanga ngo tayineho kupamira ninga kazara ugashanga ngo amarage gakwanga gakagira ki gakahangwa gigiri so kugira ngo atwiro mu nda atakurya atakunywa kibe kitine cyo konka bamutera hansa katanda kakaje okuyayonka akanagira ki nigara ebyo nicyo tweta congenital causes ninga icyo umuntu akuzarwa nacyo ukashanga yazarwa urarugiziriki rwigiye
konka shi omuntu nakimanya atangwa amaro mu nda ye gezingire
akabona ko kubanza kandi ako kukirayo kuba common no kushasha mu nda uko kushasha mu nda twaburijo niza kushobora abakaza barazireho ubusasino bwabo uko bwekisa konka buryo mu nda yona kandi ubwo bwekisa ubwo busasino bwija bugaruka bugenda bwambutandika nubwija bugaruka bugenda konka kitwara ubwire buringwa bugumaho so obusasi omuntu kushasha omunda omuntu wena yajya ngo nashasha omunda oyine kwebuza ekyenda kyesibire ninga kyesibire akanda akamanyiso no kutanaka okutanaka ombanta kuba bine ekyenda kyesibire amaragaga agorugura make obwire bwingi batanaka ki endurwe no kutanaka ebyagurire
abashabano bajangwa endwara yo kwezinga kwamara tere kumanywa mnonga ahabo kuba kuchondoza ninga shi research ahandu areji ninche ahabo kubara sente zo kugichondozaho abashabano bajangwa endwara eji ombuna kobu eriyo neyongera kandi buruwika hirwaro ryambara regional referral hospital nabashemeza omuntu omwe oinekizubwechi gasha kwa Edson Kinene
Kinene abaziro muri Kashenshero home district ya Mitoma bahijirwe okwimukira hamwe bakwehinduriza amashomero gabo nkuko babire bagetandikireho government ebashangisirize
ebindi bigambirwe amukoro go kwirukangira ishomero rya Karebo primary school omuri Mitoma abantu benda kombeka evina bishatwumwe go kwihaho omwijurano gwabeje
reka twatire bishe n'abakobwa yo kutugambire reka twatanga n'amashomero kikuga kiyamba
barambira between staff y'abandi 11 bamwe mwabarebaho kandi twine classes shanju uruganda rwanza cyakimera cyamushanju cy'abana maganabi
umushomesa yawe akuriya kubera umushomero kujya wewe faye umushomesa na numzire shashuraje shashura kufita abana bakagira ki
abantu bajango okwika korechi abeji omwishomerere babona siwe ekiri kumara na mnongo mbwire wenjura no mushana
barabe mashana esine classrooms zitakumara urugombe no kikerizoba
evyona vihendire sente ziri kwingana miliyoni mushanjo bazirundine ko bungumwe go kwera aha murmoko twaza omrisiti sinjiro omburisa bwaruborogota urukwebemberwa omurisa aporo tugume yayibemberamo mukoro go kwakira abanyinamaka 23 omukigombe cya Mothers Union omurisa aporo tugume nagirango obnubwire abakundine ogumisirizana bandi benda okonja kwika abusenguzi
nasimarahanga agumukora umuhango kuranga yatwasakora okutasya abakazi 23 mu kibina cya Mothers Union twabantuzuka ikiro cya Mariamu kandi watubiye cyo kweberaho abamagara y'abakazi kandi wazire omujuni wensi yona twavuga ikigambo cya rahanga kandi cyane kitamya kitugambira ngo maka twetingo kumuserezana shirija kumusereza mukazi kandi mukaza kumusereza mushirija tubone kugendaje umugendo urwo ubushere bwitu kandi twayakira abakazi bakurenga 8 kuruga Marisa ganda batahibwe Marisa gandi kandi hatabahaba abo bwisa bwa rurugo
abakwatiro cyeko mbombeka no kureba ngo enjiri ya mukamanja kuburwa aba nabo basimwa omuringo go mutano ebi n'ebindi bigambirwe amukoro
bariyo nareba amakuru Agacencwire ntugaruka n'agandi guma ha TV West.
Ishaka Adventist Hospital erikushangwa muri Ishaka Bushenyi Municipality nibakumayisa kwa mashomero g'ababiri aga School of Nursing and Midwifery na School of Allied Health Sciences gina mashomo ga diploma na certificate. School of Nursing and Midwifery harimu certificate om nursing midwifery, diploma om nursing extension na midwifery extension. School of Allied Health Sciences twine certificate om medical lab technology emyaka ebiri, pharmacy okumara emyaka ebiri, certificate in medical theater techniques okumara emyaka ebiri, diploma in medical lab technology okumara emyaka eshatu, pharmacy okumara emyaka eshatu, higher diploma om medical anesthesia okumara emyaka ebiri. Twatanise na Bugema University okutandika okushoma okwabo abari kushomeraho bari na short course certificate programs om counseling and psychology, project planning na management, fundamentals of computer and customer care. Tere harinoti mushanju mukaga eshatu atanu na mushanju makumi ananina mushanju na mushanju.
Oino mukoro nk'embaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko zansiyona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room na 17 ari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya mti mushanju mukaga hatano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina. Tina events nito twenko muri burenge rwizoba abino buhereza bwo Rembe.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kuzi bwayo inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
nokira guterwa umutwe guteganisa imirimo yawe
ego buzima doctor
koze somba zo gwa Head Aid okwerwa ko kubanza wabonoterwa umutwe. Head Aid nekora juba ekutambira umutwe okoraje imirimo yawe. Head Aid nekorwa aba Med World Pharma kandi tongozibwa aba National Drug Authority. Head Aid neguzibwa mu maduka gona agari guzembazi y'abantu omwihanga.
Mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kitufu inache walya nguze bizigo kumpi container namba biganye sagala kufanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususulu twawudde kaibando musajja ngobya lususulu nemeseza amaka kuli bizigo wisige ebizigo byonna biganye olususulu kulemesa amaka kikino gulo hand and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange.
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder. Ifune maduka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
At Advanced International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Singura pichipichi na ruhira millennium sako. Singra pichi noete ngakakonji kamwe ongori kubike mtwara 5 okumara amezi mushanju otakazihireyo kandi abarasingura ibihembe binde birimente TV screen zirugogoma amasimu gomurembe n'ibindi nyamwinji nobike mtwara 21 nabwo mara imyezi mushanju otakazihireyo okugura ubukonji bwinji nicongere mica yawe yo kusingura akazana kandi kaza kwendera umukwezi wo 12 aho turagabire bihembo za mataji ga Ruhira Millennium Sako Ganyachitunda Ruhira Nyakivare Kashumba Kabyanda Ngarama hamwe na Mbarara City utandikiraho kubika ibiri gukiraho tera noti mushaje noti #5 ishaje na 8 shinana nemwe ninga noti mushaje 8 shinana na 8 15 nkaga na mwenda Ruhira Millennium Sako banka yanje banka yawe Abanyambarara Swift Initiatives Limited baturendera umwana kugwa by'obushobozi n'uburambuzi ebiraro na mushanje byo kwa mukaga okwisebira mukaga byo kwa mushanje omwokogo omucheka cheka yatugure ebituri kwetenga habesha zirweho abajubuzi mwije muguze byanyu abamakorero abamahoteli abebyo kunya no kurya abamajuta cosmetics abahinji n'abarisa mutaferwa booking omwanya hati tera noti mushanje notemwe anana mukaga shinana na mukaga shinana na mukaga ninga noti mushanje 3 anane 5 noti 3 bakwinire nenyamisho nyamwinji okurugo muzu embarasi gonya maya engamia nezindi bouncing kasozi swimming train na sakasabwa abana chesiri kutambira bisika no muziki go kuchamura hechiro no mushana okutama main gate nishirinje 12 no kureba nyamisha nishirinje 12 abana bishemero hona ni 10 otaferwa
Hangura school fees yo mwaka gona eco inokora shashora school fees urukozesa momo yimata kanyonyozi emwe mukaga 5 akanyonyozi 8 noti akadara ronda ho nambe 2 school pay aho kurataho ronda ho nambe emwe okushashora school fees teka mwe namba yo mwana wawe aho kushashora school fees na no muhendo gwa sente zo kwenda kushashora rero wamara teka mpini yawe aho noja kwa wataho mukazano kweko hangura school fees zo mwaka gona
Ombare gw'abantu abarukwata uburwere bwa mpox mu ihanga gweyongere kandi abantu bamwe nubagamba kuba bafire uburwere bwa mpox no bujanjara buti okwikanira kimwe no muntu owayerekere omanyiso no bubonero bw'uburwere bwa mpox nkorhererwa hamubiri okwata habinte bikozi bwo murwere ninga amezi agakorwa mu birogwe obo no bumanyiso no bubonero bwa mpox okwemba morro orhererwa hamubiri okwamani omagaragona na no kuzimba enturugunyo okunukora kubasa kwerinda uburwere bwa mpox yetantara kwikanira kimwe omubiri ahagundi no muntu okeberwe kikahambwa kuba ino burwere bwa mpox yetantara ebintu byona ebikozi bwo murwere oyino bubonero bwa mpox gumona abo mungaro orukozesa sabuni na mezi ninga kuguma no kozesa sanitizer tungo mubazi okutsereka uburwere bwa mpox waba ori hartezo gukubukwato wakureba ningo teka ngo muntu ayino burwire bwa mpox tera namba etari yo kushashura sente not manana not emwe not mukaga ningo tsindike message yabusha ahamukutugwa your report ahari 85 not obutumobu no kureterwa ministry by'amagara n'abakwatanisa n'ibindi bitongore.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar, staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far, lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Erizoba nzakutayire cyaro mufite utosha kakuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa. Nebujumana oyizeze rukugonda ushaka ukutanga endwara zo mubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba n'ezindi kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita omushipa kimwe enganda zoona zikaziranira hamwe kusharura emibazi y'ebishaka y'okunabisa abaana baabo omwana nabaasa kwesiga movit habo jerry aloe vera ninga she ovacado papaya
movit okweyesiga izooba lyona.
The National Martyrs Choir Festival Grand Finale is here. After a battle of the finest Catholic and Anglican choir in Uganda, we've selected the best of the best to compete for the 36 million shillings cash prize in this finale. Come witness passion, talent and excitement at this exciting event on Saturday, 31st of May 2025 at the Kampala Serena Conference Hall. Gets open at 2 p.m. and entrance is only 50,000 shillings per person and 2 million shillings for a table of 8. The National Martyrs Choir Festival is sponsored by New Vision and its partners.
Umuzeire ukayanzira umwana wawe yashemera muri Kampala ukayanzira umwana wawe yagira ubwire bwo misho burungi utakarebera handi reba twakuretera umugisha ngugu Green Top School Pre-Primary and Primary twine uburaro burungi abana nbaryaje environment ninungi nitukurakoranya talent z'abana hari okuzana umupira farming okosa computer okweshongora nebindi bingi kandi byo kwerinda nibirungi twine motoka zo kubatambuza twine n'abashomesa batendekirweje nitushangwa harumaya nanziga Sakarodi tuterera hanamba zesimu 0 hashatu nishatu 00 oba tuterera hari 0 mukagina anana munana shanju nitano 00 Green Top School Pre-Primary and Primary. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Green Top School is a pre-primary and primary.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Wabula muntame bukolagana ne Harapa Travel Consultants gaba masanyu merere bakugobera ku visa eya UK, US, Canada, Europe, Dubai na walala bakola ku bya passports eya tickets, hotel bookings bakuyambako n'okufuna emirimu ebweru w'eggwanga balina n'enkola eya kibanja mpola Harapa Travel Consultants entinda ku Haruna Mall level 2 na level 3
umunsi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kutishura ku rugahamuramwa ukabura ubusinje aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurabanisa mu izuba ryawe ukahendera utine cyo yogasire kandi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurazo tabyame nitukwanjura Genacof DS Herbal Syrup eri kukozesebwa okujanja bo rukororo senyiga nakahehero za allergy hamwe no rukororo ruretwa asthma aho naho. Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa okurwumbisha kabyite by'ubuhangwa ekirizibwa ba National Drug Authority kandi ninungi ahabwa batona bakuru. Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa aba Gena Herbal Limited abakorire Covidex gishanjumba tondroge mbazigona omuyihanga obusasi kuburagumizemu shirruba habuzi bw'umushaho. Gena Herbals ekayeme bazekishaka etine kabi nabaramusi ninye Didier Drogba omubaro gw'abantu abari kwingana emitwaro 25 nibafera muri butandu hangutu za Afrika buri mwaka. Iki ni kinyararekeriza ahaboko butandezi nizibasa kwerinda fayo munonga oyisebora kuba rw'imotoka nubu wakubura y'umushabazi baba bari abana batungire intebe z'abana ezo motoka kandi ezineko kandi okimanye ngo abana tabashemerire kushitama omumisho mu motoka wabo ri ha muhanda kuraterebera jiro ebiri kwebwa twena turi n'amagara gitu twetantare butandu ahanguto za Afrika.
Kurukayo mukahumuro abarukuru kuteza karuru mu kibine cha NRM batekaho ebrajiro ebugumire harza district aho bururu bwaremerwa kuranjirwa ahabwe mvuyo eyajiremo kandi bagira ngo byagumzamo biremere nibija kukareka mpaka okutera karuru kwire.
Dr. Tang Odoy okugamba abururu bwa NRM ohereze kuterwa n'obuyabuga n'abanyamakuru ambuga nkuru z'ekibina omuri kya Dodo Kampala ugu najango bwahati ekibina kitireho ebiragiro ebigumire na munonga district n'emyanya ejo etaratire bururu bwa NRM antebe zimwe na zimwe nka district ya Mitoma Sembabule n'izindi.
In Zimbabwe, elections were disrupted because of disagreements between two camps. Our Commissioner, Ambassador Honorable Shinobe, did his best, but failed to convince them that the party needs leaders, not people who are quarreling. We have just met the leaders today, this morning, the vehicles you see driving out, and we have agreed that we shall have a meeting of the leaders on the 28th, which is Wednesday, here. We shall meet them here on 28th Wednesday to agree on the modus operandi. Also to tell them the powers of the commission, that is a commission that organizes elections, not individuals. Once we agree, we shall then have election in Zimbabwe on the 30th, Friday the 30th, May 2025.
Dr. Tangodoi yanja kushobora kuko kutorana omyanyeji erabe.
For avoidance of doubt and without fear of any contradiction, if that election fails to take off, even after meeting the leaders, we shall postpone it to June 2026, after the presidential election. We shall give them 1 year from June 2025 to June 2026 to bury their hatchet and then have that election of structure if it fails on Friday the 30th. Why? The commission has many elections. We have, our timetable is too tight that we cannot keep hobnobbing.
Tangodoi yagamba ari abo abarukwenda kwiha impapura koreka nko barukwenda kwesimba.
We are going to vote in Mitoma for other positions except the chairperson. We have already voted the chairman, and the current chairman lost. He abused us using all words in Nyankole, English, and Rutoro, but he did not remove meat from our bodies.
Omugandi bwanyuma yendanga muzebenya Uganda abinji kutandika kwisya akire ko kwaho chete expire entekateka zo kuzigarra busya netandika izo bari anyincha kare ombutongore okwetorora ihanga lyonna abantu mwashawa okwejumbera omutekateka age naman.
Endanga muntu ezibere expired and those about to expire which mona kweja bakarenouye twatwenda onjoine kadi yawe iba kuheire ubu wagitunga kubanza kandi kadi kora we yabuze utunge barua ya polisi oyishe okurenouye nebyabusha
nihiza kubaho no kandika abantu abatakazitungaga obusye kujar RDC wachegegwa kano Alex Bright
mbere batere izo bakora tunga kire za special center hadiche
abarukuza kuba nabahandika no kugarura busya endanga muntu abantu bagira ngo barara betebekanese
betekaniza munonga ushimusha na chiristede muje tubahandika bokurenouinga endanga muntu azahuriraho nesitaka huriraho waronda kurenouinga nojenuwi abatake handikisaho ga nabaye handikisaho muje rwona tunahereza guhereza
okandika oko okuja abatebekanisa noko kwija kumara amezi mukaga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza na Philip Murangera aba TV West.
Mnonga umwezi wa speaker habwishenjero lya Uganda Right Honorable Thomas Tayewa arabwire bamombe bembezi abarukwenda kutabangura obusinjo mu district ya Mitoma.
Umuhwezi wa speaker ebyabigambiro bwabira ry'umugenyi mukuru hakujaguze ekiro cy'abakazi omuri bikungu Mutara Town Council district ya Mitoma bwanyuma y'obutambe butari bumwe na bumwe kujanjara imikutu ya social media batari kworeka kishani kirungi cyabamo mbebembezi
otujume okange wayenda n'ishuri twarepusha wayenda tukunamire wayenda tweje mifire mbwira yaje muzoshora mawe yes ko mukana abeshengerezo kore byo akonka batera bikora
okumangu n'emihiri ekwasire n'emotoka ya Moses obuchairman witu wa NRM deputy speaker weitu bakitebera kuli babyata iryawo okumangu n'emihiri bamushakira no mu office abera ashitame na bagenzi be basika office ya government bagicu ateriyo nihanga
umunyeshengero kazahabwa district ya Metoma Juliet Bashisha ubiratebekanisa umukoro guneshigenderwa cyo kutungura by'amagara amezi n'enguta agambira hambera mbe y'irwariro ya Mutara Health Center ya Kashatu
okanye waza zo kwiteza kwece ibe kuba health center abazi b'ibirangenda kugwa chairman achumanya site mistake tuzaku recordinga paternity awaw nareza bebe nashugambire in short twini one abakazi bantom omukino cy'abakazi abacawire nkabaragaza sani kuzire namba kuziri sani ibi mweneza kuzatoma district ebizo nigeno mugosuwezi yitu
Bashisha agambire n'ahambera mbiyo ruguto rwa kitagata kuza kabira kandi hona n'enshonga y'abantu kutunga amezi marungi egambirweho gashakwa Mike atwachire
Mike atwachire umakuru akebye msano timu ya Ruhinda South Select Sinjire ya Red Answer kurwo muri Kampala na gore mwaro bushaho musano go mukago oguzanirwa muri Mayanga Mitoma
okunombira mukago kandi imwabazani abakunuya muzane n'abagendesereza hanuyaho tuyiraho abakoci n'abascout abakwenda kuronda abana barungi abarukuzana muri mwe bakagenda kubatwara mu timu eza Kampala
ajisinga niwo utunishe kwa tangomo uzembura pora redansi bino musigaza ina mashoche kuru ninkagare kizanda limited songo mirongo na burubata mukuna etimi ya Ruhinda South Select bayino mpira azite ninga wanu wakati na ameshara kuno tutuli abana be Kampala mu bageze na defendinga kuri kirinka uri ya musariba ompira tuwanize mu chafure bagara mukuru kwa mitwe makati na rubata mu musigaza na jawo ne katu kana zita ninga kunaga timi ya Ruhinda South ne bafana mu television shots na bomenda mwanamliza ameitwa Agaba Anthony mwanafrompira Sitari kwa Mbabazi ni kuchampula poda amekumza Mzungu Jackson ino mpira na kuanza kunaanza kushangasha tena mateni tutuli ametenda kuno pasi bakube mwana wa Red Ants mwanamliza Kakande Akramo
semerwa munonga kurangira uko mpira gumukago n'abantu bambaga Kampala bakwita ba Red Ants kandi twabasinga na goremwe Arzuro
tugiye kuzanya friendly game nebode 1-0 bade batukire batfindize na 1-0 ne twali kuzanya friendly tebadde because twana futukola mukwano mu kitunga kipate tutamanyi tuvudde wala
kurugebye misano timu ya Sports S y'abakazi yerekera mana menje kurugenyuma habwo babubira hari ubushaka kutera nkumba university nubwo babushatara bubiri kwangura impaka za league hanga ezo mzano ogwa volleyball Makuru Agacencwire wanagakusiona abantu Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand tunda kwendeza okurara kurunji hagani gategereza nyinshi kare shamshanju zihango takarga aha TV West.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Omupira gwenyiri guri ashai cha Rubingo Primary School ebiro 30 byokwezi oku agati ya Team Rich bya Mukama Richard Rangwa hamwe n'abakozi ba Radio West Vision Group obo turi kwetebekana kiniro mirakongere haha wabura ni checho nawecho ababuswere ryamiyonga kigaga karamurani wibogo ihoho kitojo binyuga nyarubare kamomo ngugo na bituntu mutafero mpirogu kasememe arwa katanu ebiri 30 byokwezi oko kwa katanu
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
Chituzi yenywere Chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nikikurwa ku rugo mu Chituzi cha Shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nikikurwa ba Chituzi Farm Company Limited
Atina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko
program okumbereba musibireje basebona banyabo abakundeba Chituzi drink necho kunywa kirungi munonga no kinywa obaje bitona amanye kubaje muntu kubasitamiraho kashango ino businge bwawe nekintu kikuru munonga kandi Yesu obusinge obone we yatusigiye yes nabwecho nywa obeje akacupa na shilingi 10 Tina Invents bakijabize they're the best in East Africa niwakorama jenyi osima carpet boards mwana nakora nkari abagore bakusitama ojutukonka Yesu ndakwachi nabwecho mubaronde Mbaguta Street lock up Central Market Building lock up 17 society yitu tunema abantu abakumanya abantu abakwetegereza abantu abashomere abantu abakumanya constitution ya Uganda konka mbabeta I don't care attitude every mistake they see they don't want to correct it binemwe bakweta inferiority complex omuntu ashomere konka natina kuhabura omuntu ashomere natina gamba yes mugambe society chino kuturabase kujihayo when we keep quiet gamba and don't mind about the reaction konka one ogambra abantu 10 wa saving abantu 10 I mean ichoncho byo mwigu gira echo wa correcting gira echo wa correcting chubone kukuyamba kandi kuyamba society ma society abo kureba no sigo parking emotoka yawe kashanga laptop itaru ochi parking emotoka yawe kashanga batwara mera ocho ba no zomuko kashanga ngo bakwibire bitoki the more you go know a society, you can go know a neighbor, you will not have peace. You will not. Talk was kutunga peace. Now wecho murebeke ngo ekiragume cyashoba wareba amahanda cyone kishobera hariho umuntu arebere orutindo orguto express rwantebe haza hine yitkurabira waho cengera those truck roziraho sorry mukarwaya roziraho crack hati yaterechishani yatsinka WhatsApp ekishane cyo nikiza kuyamba abantu muno kugira ngo rutindo rurutabanda wachuboye meriro ryo mujamu oryo ejo bimotoka byo mushenyi kikakubandama mugire konsa nense jona neyi tuno kugituramo ombo sinje to abantu haborana wachetegere nyonka bagambira ngo kinabira mbande master of ceremony naye to muntu ngumanyemerira akana ka P5 kiza kajya anko speed kora mwe to muntu gamba yoronda katebo stan kuyihobo tinkargaga kwemera yes as a program student kora numuzireba twichizo bwiro abakuba abantu kutukushwe rero batweta batugamba batugambira byo kugamba batugambira kutukugamba that's why I have managed kugumiza nakwenko bireba iwe no bireba
okumbireba yaba ni kukibugo
Chituzi yenywere chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nichikurwa ku rugo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjora bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nichikurwa ba Chituzi Farm Company Limited
Atina Events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko Hangura school fees yo mwaka gona echo inokora shashora school fees urukozesa momo yimata kanyonyozi emwe mukaga 5 akanyonyozi 8 noti akadara ronda ho nambe 2 school pay aho kurataho ronda ho nambe emwe okushashora school fees teka mwe namba yo mwana wawe aho kushashora school fees na no muhendo gwa sente zo kwenda kushashora rero wamara teka mpini yawe aho no ija kwa wata ho mukazano kweko hangura school fees zo mwaka gona.
From the heart of Uganda, where every street hums with history and every voice echoes a story, comes a festival that lets the world know of the Pearl of Africa. Uganda Film Festival 2025 is calling. From May 26th to June 6th, cinemas across the nation will blaze with cinematic stories. Watch, feel, and reflect. Then cast your vote for the Viewer's Choice Award category. Step behind the scenes in exclusive workshops and forums. Discover something new. The Uganda Film Market, a vibrant hub for filmmakers, distributors, and investors. The journey climaxes in brilliance at the awards gala. Brought to you by the Uganda Communications Commission. For details, call 0800 222 777.
We all know that data doesn't come cheap, but don't worry, we've got you. With Showmax, you can save data by downloading your favorite shows and movies to watch offline when you're ready and relaxed. Or simply just choose from any of our quality settings suitable for you. Enjoy the freedom of streaming without the data stress. Sign up to Showmax and start streaming today.
Iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro mufite gutoshaka kuba kuri yo kwesima no kushemerwa nerwo mite nebujumana oyizezo rukugonshaka okutambe ndwara zo mbiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawo Kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabito mushipa kimwe enganda zona zikaseranda hamwe kushara Mbabazi yebishaka yo kunabisa abana babo umwana nabasa kwesiga Movitable Jerry aloe vera ningashe avocado papaya
Movit okweyesiga izoba lyona.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Are you a woman with a small-scale business with a dream of growing it to another level? The GROW Project is here to support you in realizing your dream.
The GROW Project is a government initiative implemented by the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development and Private Sector Foundation Uganda with support from the World Bank.
We support women-owned businesses across the country to gain hands-on and business management skills through training within your location, business financing through grants and affordable loans, and infrastructure in your areas of operation to enable you to increase your productivity.
If you have a business that makes sales of up to 800,000 Uganda shillings per month, the GROW Project has the tools and resources to help you succeed. For more information, contact your district or city GROW focal person or call our toll-free line on 0800 307 777 to learn more about how you can benefit from the GROW Project services.
The GROW Project, empowering women economically, transforming communities.
Omupuroguramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetaago.
Wildflower nekwitibwaho Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu cancer. Balina Glow 100 Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly.
Koze sombazo gwa Head Aid okwerwa kukubanza wabonoterwa umutwe. Head Aid nekora juba ekutambira umutwe okoraje imirimo yawe. Head Aid nekorwa aba Med World Pharma.
Bambi abana basoka ngo bakuzire bombi.
We will all be together again.
Yesaya natsoka dire misuka tutura hamwe.
Amesana.
Echo nikikora ganisa bamba ana anytime.
Remember that.
Ngo basoka dire misuka no kwekana izuka kare chitu kireka kura simura maziga.
It'll be all right. Go.